Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is me Rajeshwari, and today I'm going to share with you what all I have in my makeup kit. This is a beginner friendly makeup kit, you can say. Okay, I have much more than that because I have shown many options in this video which you can carry. So this is all under rupees 500, and without any further delay, let's begin with the video. So before beginning with the video, as I have said that you can carry only one. For example, for foundation or for lipsticks, I have shown many options, but you can carry any one or two which you like. I have just shown you options within that range so that you can pick one from them. So the first thing that I am showing you is a moisturizer. For moisturizer, you get many options. For example, the Pond's super light gel, and many under rupees 500 you get nice moisturizers. But I have shown you the Patanjali aloe vera gel, okay, because this also works as a primer. So you can basically moisturize your face and also use this as a primer. For primer, I also have a second option. This is under 500. This is a Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is a very good primer. Again, this is under rupees 500, but this retails for something around 150, and this is under 500. So you can choose between both of them. I have shown both the options. Now the next step is a tinted moisturizer or a foundation, you can say. For foundation beginners, you can use Lotus CC cream or the Lakme CC cream. This is under rupees 150 rupees, very affordable option. But then if you are going for like a foundation, you can use this Faces Canada 3-in-1 foundation, which also has SPF and moisturizer in it. So this is a very nice foundation with moisturizer in it, and also works very well for every skin type. After foundation comes the setting down of your face. For setting, you can either use a loose powder or a compact powder. So for compact, I have this Lotus compact. Again, very nice compact. I have been using this for so many decades now. So this is again under 500, or this is basically 245 rupees, very affordable. And for loose powder also I have a very nice option. Iska sticker jo hai wo mid gaya. This is from Inside, and this is also under 250 rupees, and obviously will get this on offer. So if you don't want to use compact, you can also use loose powder. Now for concealer, I have a very nice option. This is from Swiss Beauty, very affordable. You can easily get this on offer in any shopping app. Okay, my shade is 04, and this is a very nice concealer. I can even compare this with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Okay, this is under very affordable range from Swiss Beauty. I don't usually use a concealer, but again, if you want to use a concealer, you have dark circles, then you can definitely use this one. Now for eyebrows, this is under rupees 60, again from Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty is one such brand you can definitely rely on. It sells affordable products with very good quality products. So one side you also get the spoolie, and you get like 6 gram of the product, so you can definitely buy this one. I am a eyeliner girly, so I have too many options for eyeliners, as you can see. Okay, so eyeliners one by one I'm going to show you. This is my absolute favorite. This is Lakme Absolute Shine Line. Again, retail something between rupees 500, and definitely you're going to get this on offer. So this is the first one. Next, the one you're getting from Lotus brand. Okay, again, this retails for something around 250 rupees. Okay, first I'm talking about the black eyeliners. Those were the liquid eyeliners. Now if you want a pencil or a sketch eyeliner, you can definitely go for this one, and this is something like this, tilted, so that you can apply that perfect wing. Okay, for that you have this. So these were the 3 black eyeliners that I've shown you. Now if you want to put some drama and you love colored eyeliners, then I use this 3. Okay, I have one more. Wait, let me check. Okay, I have got it. So if you want a brown eyeliner, again very much affordable, under 250 rupees. This is from Zudio. As you can see, very nice shine it has. Let me show you. I have got many varieties in eyeliners and lipsticks specifically, because you get many. You can see the color, such pretty color. It's shimmery. You can say this is a copper color. Okay, again from Zudio you have this one. From NY Bay you get this Royal Brave Blue. Okay, again everything is under, these are all under 250 rupees, and this Swiss Beauty will get under 160 rupees. This is in the shade 04 Bluebird, again from Swiss Beauty. As I said, Swiss Beauty has very nice range of makeup. Okay, this is a bluish color, and this is in the lavender. This is in the shade 07 Plum Purple. Okay, so these were all my eyeliner options that you can definitely purchase. These are all very affordable. The Lakme one retails for something around 399 or 499. Other than that, all are under 250 rupees. Next for mascara, I have that Maybelline Colossal Mascara. But other than that, recently I am in love with this Mars Double Trouble Mascara. It has step 1. It has 2 wands. Basically, this is one wand, but it has 2, like, what to say. The first one, step 1, is for the lengthening of the lashes. It's for the lengthening of the lashes. And the step 2 is for the volume. Okay. It's a very nice mascara, just under rupees 250, and you won't believe, because mascaras are especially costly and you don't get mascaras under affordable range. But this one from Mars, this is their new launch. This is an affordable 250 rupees mascara with very good quality. For kajal also I have 2 options. Okay, you will get other colors also in this range. If you want other colors also, you can get. This is the plum one. Okay, this is a very famous, the kajal. It is waterproof and lasts you a long time. It is jet black. It's jet black. Okay, it's not sharpened, that's why. Otherwise, this will go on for 24 hours, I can guarantee you. And the next one is a colored one from this you can also use as a kajal, or you can also use as a eyeliner. Again, very pretty shade, a turquoise shade. This is again from Swiss Beauty. There are many other colors also in this range. You can also get that one. Okay, so these are the 2 kajals. Now talking about a brush, this is one such brush which I genuinely use to blend all of my products. I have many brushes, but I rely on this brush specifically. सब products जो है वो इससे blend हो जाता है. Foundation, blush, powdering, everything I do. If you get this brush, this is under 250 rupees. ये brush ले लेने से आपका सब काम एक बार में हो जाएगा. This is from NYB. The handle and everything is very sturdy, and also the quality is very top notch. Then the next one is about contouring or bronzing. For that, again, NYB. You can use NYB contour under 99 rupees. Such affordable and nice quality product. 99. Now blush के लिए मैंने अलग कुछ option नहीं रखा है, because you can use lipstick as your blush, any pink lipstick as your blush. So अलग से मैंने नहीं रखा है, बस एक मैंने ऐसा product रखा है. नाउ मैं ये शुगर का पैलेट इसलिए दिखा रही हूँ क्योंकि ये इंडिविजुअली अगर आप 3 शेड लेने जाएंगे, जैसे इसमें आपका कॉन्टोर भी है, हाइलाइटर भी है, ब्लशर भी है, अगर अलग अलग से लेंगे जितना प्राइस पड़ेगा, ये 3 आपको एक जगह में मिल जाएगा विथ अ प्रॉपर मिरर. ओके एंड एवरीथिंग. सो इसलिए मैंने इसको रखा है कि आप अगर ये अपने किट में इंक्लूड करना चाहे तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली इंक्लूड दिस इन योर किट, बिकॉज इसमें 3 का काम एक साथ में हो जाएगा. प्लस यू विल ऑल्सो गेट अ मिरर. ओके, बिसाइड सपोज आप किट लेके कहीं पे कैरी कर रहे हैं, मिरर नहीं है तो आपको मिरर भी मिल जाएगा. दिस इज नाउ कॉस्टली. दिस इज समथिंग अराउंड रुपीज 800. सो यू कैन कीप दिस इफ यू वांट, एंड नॉट दिस इज नॉट अंडर 500. बट आपको 3 प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है, उस हिसाब से आप प्राइस मैच करके देख सकते हैं. और अलग से जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया कि आप अलग से हाइलाइटर, कॉन्टोर एंड लिपस्टिक को ब्लश हिसाब से यूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ द लास्ट थिंग दैट आई विल बी शोइंग यू इज लिपस्टिक्स. ना लिपस्टिक्स एक से किसी का मन नहीं भरता. लिपस्टिक्स में अंडर 500 आपको इतने ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे, इतने ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे कि दिखा के नहीं होगा. नाउ द लिपस्टिक्स दैट आई यूज द मोस्ट, मैं वही लिपस्टिक्स आपको दिखा रही हूँ. लिपस्टिक के लिए बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है. ओके, वन बाय वन मैं शो करूंगी. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम स्विस ब्यूटी. दिस इज माय ऑल टाइम फेवरेट. कैसे पता चल रहा है? क्योंकि इसका साइज आप देख सकते हैं कितना छोटा हो गया है. इसका जो शेड नेम है वो ब्राउनी पॉइंट है, 21 ब्राउनी पॉइंट. ओके, शेड वेरी प्रिटी, एवरीडे काइंड ऑफ ऑफिस एंड कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स कैन यूज दिस. ओके, ब्राउन, न्यूड ब्राउन शेड. और यही स्विस ब्यूटी यही रेंज में आपको दूसरा पिंक कलर में भी दिखाती हूँ. दिस इज 9 फूशिया पिंक. I hope you can see 9 fuchsia pink. Okay, again very pretty pink shade, very pretty. Okay, सब swatch में नहीं कर रही हूँ. This is again under 250 rupees. This is exactly for 250 rupees. And 100 rupees में भी मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, वो है L18 Color Pops Matte. ये तो सबको ही पता होगा. Okay, again एक pink shade है, आप देख सकते हैं. Okay, this is under 100. This is exactly rupees 100. Okay, next red shade में मैं 2 दिखाने वाली हूँ, वो है one from L18. This is matte, liquid matte lipstick. This is rhubarb red, and this retails for again 199 or something like that. You will definitely get this on offer. And again one from Faces Canada. ये थोड़ा सा 399 में आपको मिलेगा. Candy Yum. इसमें मेरे पास और भी shades है, but this is a red shade. Since I use dark shades more, this is Comfy Matte Crayon in the shade Candy Yum. Okay, तो ये मेरे लिपस्टिक्स के ऑप्शंस है. So that was all the options that I could show you under rupees 500. I hope you liked my beginner kit. If you liked my video, then you know what you have to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.